Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the Cantab Publishers video lessons. Before starting the lesson, dear student, you must have with you Class 5 English textbook, resource pack and summer pack. Resource pack is for parents and teachers guidance. You can also download it from Cantab Publishers official website. We are going to start our lesson from Unit 4, Helping Others. SLOs of this lesson are listening and speaking skills, develop creative writing skills, and develop thinking skills. Now look here at page number 34, section C, writing workshop. What you have to write an essay on my best friend. How? You will write an essay on my best friend. You have to write about your best friend. What's his name, where he lives, in which class he reads, how does he look, what he likes, what he don't likes, how you met him, from where your friendships began. You have to write all these things in this essay. First, just give an introduction of your friend, that my best friend is that person. He lives there, he reads in class 5, or he's in your neighborhood. He may be your cousin, he may be from your classmate. So you have to write all the things about your best friend and why you like him the most. You need to cover all these things in your essay. And the second task is write a letter to your friend and tell him her about the importance of helping others in the hour of need. We have discussed the importance of helping others in the hour of need in our previous lesson, when we read the poem Helping Others. So you have to tell the importance of helping others in the hour of need to your friend. How you will write a letter? First, address of your friend, then date. You're writing a letter to your friends, so it is informal writing, in which we write to our friends, classmates. Date here, then start with the dear and your friend name here and ask him about himself. I'm fine, I hope you're also fine. It's been long time, I haven't heard from you. Like, you can start like this and come to the main point of telling importance of helping others. Then in the last you can write, give my greetings to your family, or my love to your family, greetings, etc. And then your friend, your buddy. You can also write your buddy. It's informal, you can write it. There is no rules for it. Your friend or your buddy, and write your name here. It's not a formal letter. You can write your first name. No need to write your surname in it. It's informal writing. You can start here from this, like hey or hi, hey buddy, like this. Because it's informal writing, there is no rules for it. You no need to write in a formal tone. You can go with the informal one, hey, hi, hello. You can write like this, you can start like this. This is your homework from summer pack. Write a paragraph on friendship. You have to write a simple paragraph on friendship. Why the friendship is important, what is friendship, why you need friend in your life. You can write about these things in this paragraph here. This is also your homework from summer pack. You have to write a letter to your class fellow to advise him to help the needy people. Now here, the class fellow is specific. Maybe this class fellow is not interacted with you. You might have not a good interaction with him. He may be just your class fellow, not your friend, not in your specific group. You can write in a formal tone too. So you have to advise him to help the needy people who need our help. We have discussed the importance of helping needy people, so you have to write about that. And there is an activity here. Collect some tickets from post office and paste it in the box below. Here, you have to paste it here. You have to collect some tickets from the post office. I hope you will enjoy your homework and do this. Thank you.